In this video, I'm going to show you how you can very easily create images with countless different styles. On the left, you see an image created with Flux 2 Klein as standard. But look at the images to the right. Those were all created using an additional style. Sure, you could just type the style into the prompt, but I'm going to show you a much better way. Here you can see the standard template for Flux 2 Klein in ComfyUI. The image was generated with the prompt. The giraffe is standing in a field of flowers. Like I said, we could just add a style to the text, but we're doing something better today. Search the internet for SDXL prompt styler. Here is the GitHub page. You can check it out for information, but we don't actually need it for the installation, even though this software is a few years old now. It still works perfectly. Let's go back to ComfyUI. Click on the manager at the top and search for SDXL prompt styler. Just hit install. As you can see, I've already got it installed. Once you're done, it's best to restart ComfyUI. To add our styler, double-click on the empty workspace and search for SDXL prompt styler. Drag it onto the workspace. Now, copy your current prompt into the text positive field of our styler. Then, simply connect the green dot of the styler to the input of the Flux node. That's it. The style menu is currently set to base. Click on it. Oh, look at all those styles. I'll pick pixel art for now. Let's start the generation. Here is our giraffe image in pixel art style. Simple, right? And now let's try it in Cubism. This is already amazing, but it gets even better. Go to your ComfyUI directory and find the SDXL prompt styler folder. The JSON files here contain the style data. Open the file SDXL styles and copy a few example prompts, just like I'm doing here. Now go to any chatbot you like and enter. Using this format, create a style for each of the following: cartoon, isometric, and line art. Paste your examples right after that. The chatbot will give you the new styles in the right format. Simply paste them at the end of the file. Important: every curly bracket needs a comma after it, except for the very last one before the square bracket. If the format isn't perfect, it won't work. Save the changes. Back in ComfyUI, go to Edit and click Refresh Node Definitions. Once the confirmation turns green, you're good to go. Search the menu for cartoon, select our new style, and generate. Look at that! A perfect cartoon image. It works just as well for isometric or line art. The best part, you can have chatbots create any art movement or aesthetic for you. And it's not just for Flux. You can use this with Qwen, SDXL, Ernie, basically any model. Have fun experimenting.